Of course, EFCC have released a press statement on the arrest of VeryDarkMan and citing some things, and a lot of people are seeing some gaps in this press statement of EFCC. This is like a vendetta to me. I think a lot of people are still having the same opinion about that. I'm going to take a careful analysis of the paragraph by paragraph of their press release so that you guys will get to understand that EFCC is going aboard. And some people are saying that EFCC is doing the work of police according to what they actually explain in this particular article or press release. From the press release, you will understand that a person of VeryDarkMan was really granted a kind of administrative bail, and some people are saying that EFCC, they are not competent enough based on the explanations we are really getting on this particular issue. From paragraph 1, you will got to understand that EFCC claimed that they invited one Martins Innocent Ose, and his name is Martins Vincent Ose. So this is an oversight to an extent, and I think it takes a level of incompetence to actually misquote somebody which you've been training for months. Was it done in a hurry? That is what a lot of people are really talking about. I feel that it was done in a hurry. According to them, they said they invited a VeryDarkMan on several occasions and he didn't honor the invitation. And based on the standard procedure of EFCC, when you are invited, they try to invite you again and again, and they put it up in their website and also may declare you wanted at the end of the day. They don't just go and arrest you. All they have to do is to go to the court and seek arrest warrant, and this can enable them to arrest you. At the point of arrest, they show you the arrest warrants being granted by the court and also citing your offenses. But in the case of VDM, the offenses of VDM was not read out to him, not until after 3 days of being kept in incarceration. That is what a lot of people are talking about, and people are losing confidence in the EFCC in Nigeria and some other government agencies as a result of this. Based on their press release, people are still doubting the competency of EFCC, saying that if somebody who is at a level, a civil servant, does this or wrote this particular press release for the EFCC, that person should be queried at the time because it was full of mistakes at a point like this. VeryDarkMan is found wanting of financial misconduct and other things, and he was invited by the EFCC, failed the invitation. Based on standard procedure, I understand by the EFCC, when you are invited severally and you didn't honor that invitation, they will actually seek a warrant order from the court. That warrant order will enable them to arrest you. But in the case of VDM, that was not actually done. This is a violation of his rights. That is what a lot of Nigerians are saying. And going further with this particular press release, you will get to understand that the EFCC admitted that they actually violated a lot of things in the arrest of VDM, and they said they are going to investigate that within themselves, and that is an offense on the part of the EFCC. A lot of people are seeking redress on this. I feel that a VeryDarkMan should be given a court hearing so that he can actually make his own submission on this. Based on paragraph 3 of this particular press release, they said why such conduct is condemnable, his arrest was not informed by such attacks. The relevant law enforcement agency will be allowed to look into them. That is what it is. This guy Vincent Ose has been coming out bashing EFCC based on their misguided kind of operations, and this has prompted the EFCC to getting him arrested. That is something I kind of understand based on paragraph 3. And according to them, they said not that they are arresting him because of that. But I feel that a lot of Nigerians have the same mindset on this, that you guys are bullying and harassing this guy based on what he said against your institution. Why don't you go about it the right way? Administrative bail has been granted to VDM, and they said if he meets all the conditions, he'll be released anytime soon. It's going to be arranged in court. VDM's lawyer is really capable and ready at a time like this. I'll be giving you updates on VDM so that you will get to understand how the story is going. A lot of people are now losing confidence in the EFCC, GTB, and a lot of other persons based on the role they played on the arrest of VDM. He was just arrested just like kidnapping. That is what a lot of people are saying. This is not the kind of arrest we should be entertaining at the time. A lot of people are coming off the street and protesting against the actions of the EFCC. And instead of the EFCC to apologize to the masses or the populace, we are really sorry based on our mode of operation, these guys are finding a way to defend that. I keep saying one thing: when armed robber knock at your door, you don't really have the difference, or you can't really differentiate between armed robbers and EFCC right now based on their model of operation. Before I jump off, I want to say thank you guys for watching our videos and thank you for the love so far. If you are new here, you can click the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon to always get notifications each time we upload our videos.